I love this feeling. This mentality of like Michael Myers is actually so good. I love it. Anyone who loves this song, right? W's in the chat, baby. I want to hear somewhere. I want you guys to say you also love it. It's not just me. Hey, Panda. Sorry, I know. I apologize. I've been just trying to do some stuff on the site too. So apologies. My sincere apologies. Oh, you think it's just me who loves this song? Come on, dude. Halloween is such a great movie. And no, I will say this. It's not just me. I'll tell you this. It's not just me who loves this Halloween theme song. This ritual started with the OG, the best player, one of the best players in NBA. Kobe Bean Bryant. I hope I'm typing Bean right. So Kobe Bean Bryant, yeah. So in one of his interviews, sorry, I forgot to turn off my song. Sorry. My speaker, is it like now good? Can you hear me now? Hopefully you guys can hear me now better. Oh no, there is something. Okay, now it should be better. Is it better now? Can you confirm? Oh, it sounds weird. Is it better? Any better? Like I just reconnected the what's this called? The wire again. Hopefully it's better now. Right? Okay, good. Thank you for confirming. So yeah, as I was saying, right, with Halloween theme music, the reason I actually started was not me, but it actually started because I was watching. Mamba is one of my favorite basketball player. In one of his interviews with I think Patrick, he mentions he also do this. So that's where it started hitting me. I started listening in this last interview, Kobe Bryant's last online interview. That's where I also started doing it. I was like, okay, let's see if it works for me. And holy, it puts me in a different zone. I love it. I just love it. So, yeah. And look at this interview. This is one of the best interviews to get you going, motivated. Because the guy not only has basketball, he had issues with his English when he came to America. And then he had a lot of mentally because if you are hitting that level of greatness in a competitive sport, you lose a lot of relationships. And like even what I'm doing right now as a streamer, YouTuber, or as any business or job person, you're losing time, and that's never coming back. And I'm just thankful enough to the world and like my people around me who I have relationships with, whether it's my parents, brother, anyone else, special people, right? They are letting me do this. So I'm very thankful, and you guys giving me time, that's also a very big thing. But yeah, another funny thing. So 2 things I want to talk about. Bringing in the Twitter. 2 fun things. First, I started doing something funny. Awarding, I'll go on Twitter for like, let's say 15 minutes to anywhere to 30 minutes, right? Half an hour. And I will say, what dumb things are coming on? What is a dumb thing? So this one by The Fission. This, I think, today's dumbest tweet. Because, and I started my own award. Award for today's dumbest tweet goes to Finn. Right? I'll post this, you can probably see. This lady has PhD. And still, like the things he just said, she started with difficult ones first and success. No. It's just 2 people, like 2 kids trying to get like balls in this. And she said, oh, because she started with the end, that's why. Doesn't matter. The app is for old people. Come on, bro. It's not. Don't diss me like that. But I think you guys should just look at this. It's like so funny. The funniest part is the person has PhD and making such a dumb saying that, oh, because the kid actually started with the previous ones first and that's why they won. No, this is not how things work. So that's one. Second thing, interesting thing, everywhere I go I see the Nazi symbol, whether it's Obama, Hillary Clinton, people, even like I believe they got Taylor Swift into this. If we go up here, oh man, this has been funny stuff going on, honestly, because Elon did this, right? And a Tesla engineer breaks down everything. But I think everyone forget, like, this is on a serious note, right? Everyone is talking about Nazi symbol and all these things. Let me tell you, even with Taylor Swift, right? Everyone is talking about this. But at the end of the day, I want to tell you all a very important thing. Wakanda forever! Remember that. That's the greatest symbol all time. Wakanda forever. Don't forget. Now, with that being said, let's go into our work, right? The hacking thing we are here for. So, today we are doing an interesting thing. We are going on a different module. In a different module, different path. For the same software we were talking about from last couple of weeks, Burp Suite. And this is the intruder one, the one that will help us automate things. So let's learn how to use intruder to automate requests in Burp Suite. There is medium, it's a medium level, which is big. So it can take 2 days for us and 90 minutes and can take more than that, right? So buckle up, baby. Cheers. Hopefully this is big enough. Yeah, 175. Welcome to the Burp Suite Intruder room. In this room, you will explore Burp Suite's Intruder module, which offers automated request, manipulation, and enables tasks such as fuzzing and brute forcing. If you are not familiar with Burp Suite's proxy and repeater functionality, it is recommended to complete at least the Burp basic room before proceeding. You already have that, right? Just go to one of the playlists I have done, especially on YouTube, Twitch. I don't think it saves that. Burp Suite's Intruder module is a powerful tool that allows for automated and customizable attacks. It provides the ability to modify specific parts of a request and perform repetitive tests with variations of input data. So basically with this, we will be able to automate, that's the big one, and customize at the same time with our automation all our attacks. For example, like if you have username password on an API, we can hit multiple ones to see if one of them works. We can modify specific parts of a request and perform repetitive tests with variations of input. The intruder is particularly useful for tasks like fuzzing and brute forcing. Fuzzing is, let's say, if you are want to change just one letter in your API or the page you are visiting, you can keep on replacing that with a whole list of words. That's called fuzzing. And brute forcing, same thing, you guys know, right? Multiple things going back and back, where different values need to be tested against a target. Deploy the target virtual machine attached to this task by pressing the green start machine button. Also start the attack box by pressing the blue start box button at the top if you're not using your own machine. Then start burp and follow along new tasks. So we'll start our Kali as well. Quickly go here, start. Answer the questions below so we can just do this as complete. Woo! We are at 3-day streak. I was at fucking 45 before. Intruder. Intruder is Burp Suite's built-in fuzzing tool that allows for automated request, modification, and repetitive testing with variations in input values. By using a captured request, often from the proxy module, right? Intruder. Oh, wait. Can you guys see, interesting? My name and stuff is not coming. Hey, that's interesting. Whoa. Oh, I just realized it's not coming. There was on top, you can see who is the latest person who actually like followed me and stuff. That's not coming for some reason. That's interesting. Screen overlay, maybe. Okay, now it's coming. Oh, by the way, yeah, I got 2 more followers, to thanks to both of them for giving me a follow, right? Now let's go back. By using a captured request without often from the proxy module, Intruder can send multiple requests with slightly altered values based on a user defined configuration. So let's say if we are hitting, let's say if we were hitting Facebook API, right? We can make some changes in the username for the email or the password, and we can start hitting multiple ones. And that's what they are talking about here. Captured request for the Facebook, slightly alter username and password. Based on our configuration, we can start brute forcing login forms. Right? It serves various purposes such as brute forcing login forms by substituting username and password fields, right? And we will do it today. So stick with me. It was going to be fun. With values from a word list or performing fuzzing attacks using word lists to test subdirectories, endpoints, or virtual hosts. Intruder's functionality is comparable to command-like tools like wfuzz or fpuff, right? I've shown this, but we'll go over more in this. However, it's important to note that while Intruder can be used with Burp Community Edition, it is rate limited, significantly reducing its speed compared to Burp Professional. This limitation often leads to security practitioners to rely on other tools for fuzzing and brute forcing, right? Like we have used fpuff and wfuzz, so I will show you that if needed. Nevertheless, Intruder remains a valuable tool and it's worth learning how to use it efficiently. Let's explore, right? So we have Intruder. This is the Intruder window, just in case if you don't know. Oh, I'll start this guy again quickly. Our Kali will come up. Till then, this is the Intruder window, right? What you will see when you start. Choose a attack type. We have different attack types. Sniper is one of them. Payload position, right? So we have the target, which TryHackMe, where, for example, it can be Facebook if you're attacking Facebook or something else. Then there is the URL here, if you guys see the URL type of HTTP. So host we have, for example, Facebook, and we can change values. So it's, for example, if there was username and stuff, we'll use the add button. Let's see. I'll show you right away in this, so it's easy for you to grab and look at what I'm doing. So Burp Community Edition, I added it to my favorites list. Takes a second to come up, right? Boom. Come on, baby. It's going to be a fun one because I love hacking actual things. So we have Intruder. Let's say if we are going on our proxy, I'll go quickly on the proxy. Let me hit facebook.com, right? If we are hitting facebook.com, turn on the proxy. Now let's do it. Okay, wait one sec. I enter something and then I will go intercept on. Now let's say I added username and password, right? Now you will see its real value. Here we have this, our main request, where we are typing our email, right? Hopefully you guys can see this email, and this is encoded or encrypted, one of those things, password. So I can send it to repeater, send to intruder. Here goes here, right? Now you can see the whole thing. There are payloads which we'll talk about later, but we see our target, which is facebook.com. Then we have login form, right, where we will log in. Token, sure. Main thing is this is our request, so email, and then we have encoded password. Now thing is, we can change these things. I can keep on changing email instead of going back on facebook.com, logging again and again and again. I can just change here, and like I'll just add this. So if you see this, I'll go on the add button. This is added, right? Two crazy symbol, snake-like symbol is added, and now I can change list, random, custom, all those things. Boom, this is gone. I can hit Facebook then. But let's get going. The initial view of Intruder presents a simple interface where we can select our target. Excuse me. Excuse him. Wow. It's a nighttime, boy. The initial view of Intruder represents a simple interface where we can select our target. This field will already be populated if a request has been sent from proxy using Control I, which is Intruder, or right clicking and sending to Intruder, right? When we were on proxy, right, we did just right click. There are 4 subtasks within Intruder: positions, payload, resource pool, and settings. So let's go. For positions, this tab allows us to select an attack type, which we will cover in a future task, and configure where we want to insert our payloads in this request template. So we can select the type which we'll cover, right? Configure, okay, based on the payload. Payloads, here we can select values to insert. So for example, for the email, this is where I will put my different emails which I want to hit into the position defined in the positions tab. We have various payload positions such as loading items from a word list. So instead of typing every time, we can just have all the word lists loaded. The way these payloads are inserted into a template depends on the attack type chosen in the positions tab. The payloads tab also enables us to modify intruders' behavior regarding payloads, such as defining pre-processing rules for each payload. Example, adding a prefix or suffix, performing match and replace, or skipping payloads based on a defined regex. Also enables us to modify intruders' behavior regarding payloads. Okay. Interesting. I had no idea about this one. Resource pool. This tab is not particularly useful in Burp Community Edition. It allows for resource allocation among various automated tasks in Burp Professional. Without access to these automated tasks, this tab is for limited importance. So, for example, let's say if you have like the professional version, and you have like 10 automated tasks. One will be about intruder, one might be, let's say, repeater and all those stuff. And your system only has, let's say, 16 GB of RAM and like not that much powerful, right? Like not that much powerful computer. So you want to just only give certain amount of resources to what task. You can define that. Settings. This tab allows us to configure attack behavior. It particularly deals with how Burp handles results and the attack itself. For instance, we can flag requests containing specific text or define Burp's response to redirect 300 responses. So that's a cool one. Note, the term fuzzing refers to process of testing functionality or existence of by applying a set of data to a parameter. So basically same with the URL. If we are testing, right, we want to say login is there, robots.txt, and what all URLs that are hidden from us we can see. For example, fuzzing for endpoints in a web application involves taking each word in a word list and appending it to a request URL. For example, word goes here, so here it can be index, it can be admin, it can be password, it can be users, whatever we define. And this is our website we have to hit. I'll copy that. In which intruder tab we define the attack type. So we had, I think, payloads. No. So we had resource tools, we had settings, and then we had payloads. Then we had one more. Let me just check. Positions. Yeah, positions, we attack different type of attack. Okay, so that's our answer, hopefully. Cool. Positions. So we have 4, right? Position, payloads, resource pool, settings. This one is not useful, but positions and payloads. And these are the type of attacks. Sniper, insert each payload into each position at one at a time, simultaneously place. Battering, ram attack, pitchfork, cluster. Bomb attack. I don't know if have you guys used it ever? Let me know if you guys, any of you are aware of these. It'll be fun. When using Burp Suite Intruder to perform an attack, the first step is to examine the positions within the request where we want to insert our payloads. These positions inform Intruder about the locations where our payloads will be introduced, as we will explore in upcoming tasks. Let's navigate to Positions tab. Let me just drink some water. Apologies. Hey, everybody has to drink water, right? Okay, payloads. To perform, when using Burp Suite Intruder to perform an attack, the first step is to examine the position where the request, where we want to insert our payload, basically change the place, change the values, right, where that will go. These positions inform Intruder about locations where our payloads will be introduced, as we will explore in the upcoming tasks. So here we have the position, striper, payload position. And if you see here, I don't know. Yeah, you guys won't be able to see. But hopefully you see the username and password, and there's those dollar or S sign or snake type symbol is there. That's where our positions will be changed. You can have multiple. For example, it can be username, password, and email. You can have all three. Section marks. Okay, that's called section marks. Notice that Burp Suite automatically attempts to identify the most probable positions where payloads can be inserted. These positions are highlighted in green enclosed by section marks. So pentester exploited. On the right hand side of the interface, like this one, add clear auto and refresh. We find following: add clear auto. The add button allows us to define new positions manually by highlighting them within the request editor and then clicking the button. So basically we have, I don't know how I'm tired today, so tired. Sorry about this. But yeah, so basically with the add one, let's say if I want to, if this wasn't already selected, this was username and password, I can click on pen tester, select that and do add. That will put the section marks in this. And let's say if I didn't want to change the username, I was just using a brute force with the same username and multiple passwords. You do clear on the pen tester here, right? And add if it's not already added to the password. Removes all defined positions, providing a blank canvas where we want to define our positions. Auto button automatically attempts to identify the most likely positions based on the request. This feature is helpful if we are previously cleared the default position and want them back. So let's say if we have here, right, I put section marks here in this area. I'll clear this. Let's clear that. Boom. Oh, sorry. Clear here, right? Clear all. Now we'll go with auto. So if we see there are multiple. There is cookies. Regarding the cookies, there is regarding, I don't know much, but there is regarding for sure password, login source, and all these things. We probably don't need all those when we are actually attacking Facebook. So we'll just do clear. Yeah, clear all. And we'll just select R1 and go with add. And that's all we have to do. Okay, let's go here. The following GIF demonstrate the process of adding, clearing, automatically reselecting positions. So here we have adding, pen tester, we add. Same with the password, we click, or we can clear the pen tester, then we can auto for all these. So take some time to familiarize yourself with adding, clearing, and auto selecting positions using Burp Suite. We have already done that. What symbol defines the start and end of? So we have section mark. I don't know how to put section mark on my laptop. No. How to get section mark? mark on keyboard. I've never done this. Section mark can be typed with the keyboard using the following key combination. Press and hold Alt and then types this. Oh hell no. I can probably, let's see. I know this. I know about this, right? This is with. Here, we got it. Bench. This is. I'm too smart, baby. I'm too smart. How I do it, right? Basically, I'll go here. I have pressed the Windows key sign and then the period sign. I get this. I can get emojis. I can get GIFs. And cow emoji. This one is on my profile, right, on Twitch. And various symbols like the one we already have. Section mark. So yo, don't mess with me. I'm too smart. And payloads. In the Payloads tab of Burp Suite Intruder, we can create, assign, and configure payloads for our attack. This sub tab is divided into 4 sections. First, we have, okay. So, for in the payloads one, we have payload set, payload settings, payload processing. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, payload processing and payload encoding. Payload, okay. So in the set you can define one or more. Okay, let's go over this and have our burp already on. This is our payload one. Can we change how the payload one goes? Like this is probably the new interface they have added. Okay, never mind. We'll just go with this, go with the flow type thing right now, because for intruder, display more auto expand when there is enough space, automatic behavior, payload list. Okay, never mind. This is tools. I don't understand the user interface. Okay, it's fine. We'll just use it this way, right? We have payloads. With the payloads, we have payload position, payload configuration, payload processing, and payload encoding. Good. Same as that. So first, payload sets, right? Which is in the top, payload sets, whereas we had payload. It should be payload set. I think they are missing that. That's fine. Yeah, there should be a payload because there is payload set and everything. So payload sets. This section allows us to choose the position for which we want to configure a payload set and select the type of payload we want to use. When using attack types that allow only a single payload set, like sniper or battering ram, it's not opening anything. That's fine. The payload set dropdown will have only one option, regardless the number of defined positions. So based on the attack it is. If we use attack types that configure multiple payloads like pitchfork and cluster bomb, there will be one item in the dropdown for each position. Note, when assigning numbers in the payload set dropdown for multiple positions, follow a top to bottom or left to right order. Okay. For example, the two position username and password, the first item in the payload set dropdown would refer to username field and the second one would refer to password field. Okay. Payload settings. This section provides the options specific to the selected payload type for the current payload set. Okay, for example, when using, so this one payload setting specific option specific to selected payload type. Okay, For example, when using the simple list payload type, we can manually add or remove payloads to and from the set using the add text box button. Okay, so we have simple list. I see. And we have this, right? We have list, runtime list. For simple list, we have configuration and all those things. Interesting stuff. A bit different than what we should be expecting here based on the tutorial, right? It's a bit different. So let's see. Manually add or remove payloads to and from the set using add text box button. Paste lines, load payloads from a file. So paste, load, remove, clear, all these, reduplicate. The remove button removes currently selected line and the clear button clears the entire list. Be cautious with loading huge list as it causes burp to crash. We have seen this in one of our hacking CDF challenges. Each payload type will have its own set of options and functionality. Explore the options available to understand the range of possibilities. So we need to go over a bunch of payload types. So payload type can be runtime, character. Okay, we'll do one video just going over these and like making a idea, because I will say this: if you are looking into joining me with the bug bounty journey, every single hacker I know is a master of Burp Suite. So we will learn Burp Suite by heart. Don't worry. So payloads processing, the third one, right? In this section, we define rules to be applied to each payload in the set before it is sent to the target. So with the processing part here, and we are talking about rules and all those stuff. Select the rule type, add prefix, suffix, match, replace, substring, reverse substring, modify case, encode, encode, decode is useful because let's say if you are actually sending some data, a lot of time you have to encode it base 64 and then send it. You can't send like a lot of things. So that's interesting and good one, because if we are hacking Facebook, we are trying to do that. Then with this is encoded. Let's say if this encode password, if this means encode, then we can do these rules, right? So hopefully that makes sense. For example, we capitalize every word, skip payloads that match a regex pattern, or apply other transformations or filtering. Cool. While you may not use this section frequently, it can be highly valuable when specific payload processing is required with your attack. So let's say if I'm hacking Facebook and like the password is always encoded, I'm going through rocku.txt word list, encoding all the time. That's what we'll do. We might be actually doing this right away. So next is payload encoding. This section, right? Let's go over here, close this, and the last one, encoding. This section allows us to customize the encoding options for our payloads. By default, Burp Suite applies URL encoding to ensure the safe transition of payloads. However, there may be cases where we want to adjust the encoding behavior. We can override the default URL encoding options by modifying the list of characters to be encoded or unchecking the URL encode these characters checkbox. By leveraging these sections, we want to create and customize payload sets to suit the specific requirements of our attack. This level of control allows us to finely tool our payloads for specific testing. Okay, so we have four, right? We have payload sets, payload processing, payload encoding, and we have payload, configuration. Payload sets, payload configuration, payload processing, payload encoding. Sorry, that's how I remember things. Like as when I was in high school, I used to just shout and remember chemistry rules. Which payload processing rule would be used to add characters at the end of each payload in the set? So we did read this. I think it's suffix. SUFFIX, Payload processing are used to add at the end of it. Payload processing add suffix. Okay, never mind. So I was right, I just missed one word. Cool. Introduction to attack types. Okay, let's do this. The position tab of Burp Suite Intruder has a drop down menu for selecting the attack type. The intruder offers 4 attack types, each serving a specific purpose. Let's explore them each. Explore each of them. We have sniper. The sniper attack type is the default and most commonly used option. It cycles through the payloads, inserting one payload at a time into each position defined in the request. Sniper attacks iterate through all the payloads in a linear fashion, allowing for precise and focused testing. Okay. So it's most commonly used, right? Cycles through payloads, inserting one payload at a time in each position defined. So we have multiple positions. All payloads in linear. Okay. Battering ram. There is like, I don't see why there is no, like, pop-up always comes. I don't know why. So battering ram. The battering ram attack type differs from sniper in that it sends all payloads simultaneously. So it like attacks, instead of going one attack, one, boom, all of them. So instead of gun, you are putting a bomb. Not the best thing to say, but okay, whatever. Sends all payloads simultaneously, each payload inserted into its respective position. This attack type is useful when testing for race conditions or when payloads meet to be sent concurrently. When each payload inserted into its respective position. This attack type is useful when testing for race. Oh, I see. So if let's say you want to hit and lock the resources. For example, if you are, let's say, if you are in an ATM machine, you're trying to hack an ATM machine, something like this. If you are trying to attack all of them, and that will be fun. Okay, pitchfork. The pitchfork attack type enables the simultaneous testing for multiple positions with different payloads. It allows the tester to define multiple payload sets, each associated with a specific position in the request. Pitchfork attacks are efficient when there are distinct parameters that need separate testing. So, for example, one can have cookie. If you have one point, I want to do username and password. One. Second will be cookie. Third will be like, let's say, position of like URLs and all those stuff. Cluster bomb. The cluster bomb attack types combines the sniper and pitchfork approaches. Sorry. The cluster bomb attack type specifies the sniper and pitchfork approaches. It performs a sniper-like attack on each position, but simultaneously tests all payloads for each set. Okay, type combines sniper attack and pitchfork. Okay. This attack type is useful when multiple positions have different payloads and we want to test all of them all together. So this one won't do all together, it will be linear. This one will be all together. Wow, that's cool. Each attack type has its advantages and suitable for different testing scenarios. Understanding their differences help us select appropriate attack type based on testing objectives. So this is going to be added to my, basically, I have this tech debt or like video debt I am creating, or like content backlog. This will be about Burp Suite. So Burp Suite, right? One will be about all types of attacks. Another det, probably if you guys would like, right? I can create not just about attacks, but also about attack type. Oh, apologies. All types of payloads. Okay, cool. I think that should cover majority of it. We don't have position and all those stuff. So what attack type cycles through payloads, inserting one payload at a time into each position defined in the request? I think that's sniper, right? So we have sniper, linear, one at a time. Then we have, I think, pitchfork. There is cluster bomb, and there is battering ram. So battering ram simultaneously, pitchfork. For every single, there will be multiple payloads, right? And the last one is cluster bomb, is pitchfork and sniper. So let's do some hacking here. I think this is a hacking one, hopefully. Okay, let's see. The sniper attack type is the default and most commonly used attack type in Burp Suite Intruder. It is particularly effective for single position attacks such as password, brute force, or fuzzing the fuzzing for API endpoints. In a sniper attack, we provide a set of payloads, which can be a word list or a range of numbers, and the intruder inserts each payload into each defined position in the request. So we have like fuzzing, right, of the API endpoints, let's say when we are doing like dirbuster and stuff. So that's same thing. Then we have brute force. Okay. In sniper attack, we provide a set of payloads, which can be a word list or a range of numbers. Okay. An intruder inserts each payload into each defined position in the request. Each payload in each defined position in the request. Let's refer to our example. So we have post request, right, with our support and login, HTTP1, we have our host, and we have our username and password. And our intruder inserts each payload in. Okay. So in this example, we have two positions defined, username and password, body parameters. In a sniper attack, the intruder takes each payload from the payload set and substitutes it into each defined position in turn. Okay. So assuming we have a word list with three words, Burp, Suite, and Intruder. Intruder would generate 6 requests. So 3, and because we are not changing with password. Oh, we are changing. So first we are just replacing the username, Burp, Suite, and Intruder, password same. And then next we're keeping username same and changing the password with Burp, Suite, and Intruder. Observe how Intruder supports with the first position username and substitutes each payload with it. It moves to the second position, replace password, right, and performs same substitution with the payloads. Total number of requests made are basically request is equal to number of words times number of positions. Pretty lame, honestly. The sniper attack type is beneficial when we want to perform tests with a single position attacks utilizing different payloads for each position. It allows for precise testing and analysis of different payload variations. Okay. If you were using sniper to first 3 parameters in a request and a word list containing 100 words, so it's just basically multiply, it would become 300, I believe, right? How many sets of payloads will sniper accept for conducting an attack? 1 is like either you can have a list or everything, right? So next one is our battering one. Same thing, I think we will learn. So let's keep this learning, or maybe let's just cover one more. Let's cover one more, so we at least will be running into a 1 hour territory for our streaming. Then we'll take off for the day. Battering ram. The battering ram attack type in Burp Suite Intruder differs from sniper in that it places the same payload in every position simultaneously, rather than substituting each payload into each position in turn. Let's refer back to our previous example template, right? So we have this same thing. And in this one, Intruder differs from sniper in that it places each payload in each position simultaneously. So here we have Burp Suite and Intruder. So it will be doing Burp Burp, Suite Suite, and Intruder Intruder. So all are replaced at the same go. As soon as shown in the table, right? Each payload from the word list is inserted and each position from each request made. In a battering ram attack, the same payload is thrown at every defined position simultaneously, providing a brute force like approach to testing. Is thrown at every defined position, right? Simultaneously providing a brute force like approach to testing. I don't like this line for some reason. That same payload is thrown at every defined position. Okay. Makes sense, but I don't like this line. Battering attack type is useful when we want to test the same payload against multiple positions at once without the need for sequential substitution. When we don't want to substitute one or the other, we want to like hit all of them. In the upcoming tasks, we will explore further configuration and settings related to intruders, this attack, and examine its applications in different scenarios. Why this might be important? Because of the admin thing, right? Because a lot of time the passwords are either admin or password. So that's, I see why it is useful, but I just hate this. It's not that useful of a attack type in my opinion. As a hypothetical question, we need to perform a battering ram intruder attack on the example request above. If you have a word list with 2 words and the position in the request template looks like this, what would be the body request parameter for the first request that Burp Suite sends? So we care only about the admin, right? And it will be username and password will be replaced with admin. Oh, copy this guy. Boom, here. And we don't need the section marks as well, so I think should be removed. Right? Because section marks are when you want to replace something with. We don't. So next is pitch 4. Pitch 4 attack type, right? We don't care about this one. Right? Like we do care about it right now, we won't go over it. And then there is this one. And then we have practical examples, which are fun. Practical example, practical challenge, and extra mile challenge with our inclusion. So good part is with this will be done, but there are practical examples and challenge, then that can take some time. So I'll just leave it for tomorrow. But till then, let's do something fun. Let's play some chess. I was seeing if you guys would love to play chess, right? With me. So if anybody would love to, yes, we'll be friends. Okay, so let's play a good chess game, right? Oh, we already have legend. We have a legend. I don't know what my ranking is. Oh, I'm at 1200. That's crazy. I don't know if I deserve 1200, but okay. Let's see. I know where this is going. He's going to put it here probably. Once he opens this one. If not, okay. Let's see what you go with this. It'll be fun, right? We'll do something different. What should I do with you, my friend? Let's do it like this, maybe. So let's see what he does. It'll be interesting to see. He went back. What do you guys think? Should I take with like my horse? Should I be taking the bishop? I think that's called bishop, right? What do you guys think? Okay, no. I don't want to hit back with this. Okay, let's just do it. Let's just do it and see. I'm not a pro, so I don't know why it gave me such a big ranking. And this guy is at 873. Doesn't look like it. This guy is a 873 type of a guy. So okay, let's forward this and make our thing bigger. No. Let's see what this guy's mindset is like. So if I do this, right? If I do this here, this guy can take this. This takes this. Okay. Take. No, so if I do this, a horse can take this. If I use this here, I lose my. I don't want that, right? What I would like is. Oh, then there is this fork as well coming. I made a mistake here. Let's see how I can get away with this. I can still take two. Wait. This. Any idea what you guys think should I do? Maybe. The problem is this guy goes here. That can take two. That can still take it. So let's just. Okay, let's see what it goes. Oh, I can have removed this. Why didn't I do that? If I did this. Let's see. I'm ready to listen to advice because I'm not a pro chess player. This is my first time streaming on chess online actually. Oh, I can do something. This is good actually. This is good. I can just take his, then his queen will also be in the danger zone. Yeah. Oh, he takes fine. Let's go, boy, then. Let's go. Yeah. And I'm doing good. Oh, okay. That wasn't bad. I was overthinking. I might have miscalculated something. And that's fine. Now I'm up by 1. I'll just go trade. And I'll keep on trading. No point in like using my brain, just trade. Right? Okay, let's see where you can go, bro. Let's see, Atul. Let's see, my boy. Let's see what you got. Okay, do something. Bro, are you playing chess? Yes, I am. I thought I'll just hit a 1 hour mark anyways. I did some hacking. I completed some part of my hacking challenge. So I'm just like doing this. I thought I will give it a twist, right? I'll give some twist to my streaming. I just don't want it to be just streaming, like just a hacking channel. It'll be fun to add more flavors to it. So that's what I'm doing. Hopefully you like it. Sure, let's play. I think this one will be over fast, I believe. So we can play 2, Panda. Let's see. Let's do it. Give me like 5 minutes. JD Panda 80. Got you. I got you. So I'll do this. I'll trade anyways with this guy. Let's play one game together, right? I'll just trade in here, right? Keep trading. I think this one is in bag. This game is in bag. Or I should also change this thing. Edit. Chess. Hacking in chess. Hacking in chess. Let's do this. I'm enjoying it. Okay, let's see what this guy has for us now. Let's make it this. What do you rate my game so far? How do you think I'm doing? Okay, let's hit this. Rate my game. Rate my game. Okay, I'll do this then. Come on, bro. I'm not that easy to go lose for, right? Somebody tell this guy. Somebody tell him. I'm doing good, right? I think I'm doing pretty good right now. I'll change this to chess as well. Let's do chess. Oh no, this one can change, right? So I don't know how this one will work, but that's fine. Okay, this guy changed. Let's go here. Now the fun will begin because now I have him trapped. Okay, go for it. I don't care about this pawn right now. This is my main attack. You're big guy. Okay, now it's a pretty simple game. I just have to advance 1 or 2 and then I'm good. Cool, goody good. Let's go. What you going to do? Hey viewers. Oh, that's just stream elements. Okay, let's see. And let me change this here to chess too. Let's see, chess live stream. Hacking plus chess. Okay. What he did now. Okay. I'll hit him with this. Go, go, go. Go like this. Guess who, Uni? Hearing your voice after years, lasting my... I don't know. Who are you, homie? Like, I don't know. Nice to meet you too, though, after a long time. I don't know who it is. Howdy, mate, by the way. You are into chess too? I'll do this. How's life? Well, let me know. Like, can you say your name? Oh, wait. Is there anything coming? I'll just put it this way. And I can put my YouTube here. Universal. Oh. Which class from Universal? Which Universal class? Chemistry. A bit. Krishna? Or who else? Oh, this guy moved. So I'll go like this. Hit him. That's fun to know. Like, people from so long like are coming, joining the stream. I like it. Thank you. Now this guy's trapped. Let's go. Now it's an easy go. Nice. What's your name, like, if you don't mind me asking? I'm actually excited. Okay, let's go. I want to hit this guy or this guy, so let's go this. Check. See, check. Now give this. Whatever happens, I will take the pawn anyways. If the pawn moves or if it doesn't move, and then I just have to keep on going up. This one will take this, then this. Easy. Let's go. This is our game right here. We won this one. Easy peasy. It's crazy. I don't know why they gave me like 1200 rating though. I don't think I deserve that much, but okay. Cheers. Cheers to chess.com for thinking I'm smart. You are not getting a stalemate. I'm not giving you a stalemate. I'm not giving this guy a stalemate. I'm not an idiot. Hopefully I don't. It will be very bad to first say I'm not giving and then I end up giving it to him. अभी भी बुद्धू है तू. Bro. who is this? I feel it's Krishna for sure. Like, I don't know why. He says this shit to me for no reason. Come on. Come on. Let's go like this. Now move. Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. Bro, you saying I'm Buddhu? Oh, fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck me. I did this. That comment you sent, that hit me. Fucking hell. Who is it now? I really want to know who the hell it is. I flopped this game, man. I flopped this game. Holy. Yes, I have taken the bath. Yes, Nayao. Okay, Panda, I'll send you a request actually. JD Panda, friends. Wait. Let's go, Panda. Let's see what you got. I'm not losing to you, Panda. I'm not losing to you this game. No matter what. Let's go like this. Oh, thank you. Thank you, bro. Thank you. What's your name though? I'm really curious. Who is it? It's nice to see old fellas here. He will lose, Panda. Hell no. No, I won't. Hell, if I win, what you guys will say? He says a lot of shit but doesn't know shit. Fuck you. I was doing good. It's not like I'm an idiot, bro. I hate you. Abeg. Henchel. Who the hell is this? Like, tell me your name, please. Okay. Okay. Guess who unique? Account created 7 minutes ago. Okay. You have to tell me the name though. So many people were in the chemistry class. I of course will know you based on the amount of shit you are saying to me. You used to sit next to me and copy my answer. Hell no, I never used to copy answers. I was smart enough not to copy. It is Krishna then. It is 100% Krishna. 100% Krishna then. No way it's anybody else. Okay, give me a hint. Let's see. I'm actually curious. Give me a hint. Let's see. Panda, 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 panda. You used to say, "Dheere bol pitega." Yep, Krishna. Krishna, 100% Krishna. No one else. 100% Krishna. I'm not even like, there is no debate left. As soon as he said, I know it's you. How am I right or am I right? Okay, I have to take this back. Yep. That ha ha ha. It's Krishna, 100%, man. Kohli. My man Kohli is here. How are you doing, brother? Where's that follow? Why you haven't followed the channel yet? Where's that follow? Sala. Thank you. You want to join? Do you want to play a game? My man. Thank you. Enjoy the song. Oh, is it my turn? No, it's your turn. It's your clock running, bro. Oh. See, Panda? Something to say here? Oh, not with me. Fuck you, man. Why there is so much, like, all the shit coming on? Like, is it like last 7 years now? 7-8 years of, like, all the things you wanted to say all are coming out all of a sudden now? Is that so? Is that it, homie? Is that it? Okay, let's see. This is attacking this. Okay, let's see. चल बाय मजे कर मिलते हैं फिर 100% brother. See you soon. Hopefully see you soon. It'll be fun. Thank you so much for joining though. Love you. Have my flying kiss. Have some flying kisses. Even your girlfriend never gave you these many kisses. Let me tell you that. How will I play this now? Moving this. Okay, let's see this. No, I will do that to you. I'll put it inside you. All my flying case inside you. It's just for you. Remember this. Just for you. Just for you. Holy fuck. Oh man. Remember, see this. Look into my eyes. Look into my eyes. Yeah, it was so uni is basically the coaching class we used to go to. It's called Universal Coaching Classes, and that's where we were in the same chemistry class actually. Yeah, I know him for long, long fucking time. We used to do a lot of bullshit. Like we used to do so much bullshit. There is no record. And he's, I think, he lives in Hong Kong now. He completed his education from University of Hong Kong, if that's the name. Hope I'm not getting it wrong or something. Yeah. So he's a very smart dude as well. We both used to love chemistry. Okay. Mm. Let's see what you got, Panda. Let's see. Okay, you're attacking like that. Okay. This is a hard game. This is a good one. I like it. Oh boy. See. Now do something. Let's see what you do. How about this? How about this? Okay, shit. Okay. I'll take this, I guess. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I'm using my brain, all my brain power. This is a way harder game compared to the other one. No, not like this. Okay, how about this? I go like this in this one. Block you from here. So I'm not stressed about this guy. Let's see. I shouldn't have done that. I fucked up. That was my bad. I fucked up. But at least I will probably, if you don't take this, if there is no exchange, then that means then at least I will get my your queen away from me. So there's still lightning at the end. of the tunnel, right? So let's see. Why? Oh, okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, here. Okay, I'll move this guy like this. Okie dokie do. Sure. Okay, that was actually a good attack, not going to lie. That was a good plan. That was a really good plan. Okay. Move this here. Let's see. This is a stressful game, mate. If I go white, not the best thing to say online, but if I go instead of green square, I go to the white square, which is d5. Okay. What are you planning? I don't have much time left either, so that's a bad thing. Let's see if this plan works out or not. Let's see what you got, Panda. Let's see. This one will go here. I can just block it. I don't even want to take it. So I'll do this. I'm not going to even take it, so there is no point. I can just block you then forever. Okay. Sure. Okay. If we move in, this one comes. Okay. Let's see. This is a very not F1 position. No, I'm not taking chances. In this case, I'm not taking chances. I think I fucked up. Okay, I might have this still. Okay. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I know this one. Fuck! I hate these draw fucking situations. Fuck. Okay, this was it for the stream. Fuck it. Have a good night, everyone. Thank you for making me miserable. Thank you for letting me know that I won't be able to sleep tonight. Thank you so much. It was pleasure getting sacked or getting like funned on by all game. No, it wasn't a good game. No, it wasn't. I was about to win. I hate these draws. Fuck this game. Have a good day. Bye. Jai Mata Di. Let's rock. And Wakanda forever. Remember, no Nazi symbol or anything stupidity. Wakanda forever. Remember that.